Now this might not look like much, but it is a very rare, very unique find. And one of the things I discovered while prospecting for boulder opals, one of these beautiful big white stones I took back, started polishing it, realized the whole thing had opal inside. Didn't realize at the time that it was like an egg. Thankfully though, because it wasn't full and complete, it was kind of squashed, I actually cut it open to see what was inside. Still at that time I wasn't quite sure. I looked through, it's pretty much like lime inside with shiny bits. So I've pulled these out and started polishing away. Didn't realize until I recognized this skull. Until I realized it was a skull, I didn't realize what I was looking at. This little fella, somehow, something happened to the egg. Got dropped in between some rocks, I guess covered over with limey mud that just didn't have much bacteria in it. And whether no oxygen or water or not enough of something for the bacteria to break it down. And yeah, a fossil was formed over the egg, which is what I discovered was the fossil. Inside the fossil was the opalized egg shell. Not boulder opal like I thought it was, because inside that was this petrified little fella. Now, whether this little reptile was a lizard or a baby dinosaur, I'm guessing it was, but I'm not sure what species. Seems to have had little flippers like a tortoise, but yeah, who knows, might have been a little tortoise. But you can see the ocular cavity, actually make out some of the bone structure around it. You can see this, make out some of the scales. This was the skin. I didn't realize what it was like. It's not here because I started polishing this. I didn't realize until halfway through that this little creature was in here, and then I've taken it out and cleaned it up a little. Fortunately gotten rid of most of it. That's why these look like this now, is because their inner structures are gone. They've gone over time, as fossils do. And over time, it's then through the same kind of process, water filtering through, silicates filling the gaps, and opals formed. So inside, so we've got the little lizard has been petrified. And we can say petrified, not fossilized, simply because these organic structures are there. Fossils take longer. It's usually inorganic stuff. Very, very, very rare to find anything petrified that's not plant-based, simply because we break down too quickly. Plants have a cell wall, they take longer to break down, so sometimes they petrify when they get trapped in stuff. This little fella, because it was in the egg that kind of fossilized around him, petrified the little lizard, and we get a very rare, unique thing where we can actually make out his little face. I'm a little sad that I did actually clean off the skin that was on these. If I realized what it was sooner, I would not have cleaned it all off, but at the time I was trying to look for pretty shiny opal to sell. Turn over. Sorry, one sec. Come on, focus. You probably can't see the colours. So it is pure opal inside. Too bright. Oops.